Hi, my name's Helene. I'm an MSL Educational Specialist and I'm going to show you today how I use the MSL sound pack to teach students the sounds. The blue cards are the vowel sounds and the yellow or sometimes white cards are the consonant sounds. The blue cards have a picture just as a memory hook I also use hand movements to trigger the memory and also to help to transfer the knowledge into long-term memory. The multisensory approach is a really powerful way to do that. Consonants never say their letter names, they only say their sounds, and all of the vowels say their name and have a short sound, so that's why we need to learn them both. So I'll start with just as a point, I usually ask my students to write the sounds as so I would say it first, so I would show them the card and then they would write it on their whiteboard. Usually that helps while they're saying the sound. So this is what I'd like them to say. And if they're not sure, then I help them with the sound. A, apple, a. E, eddy, e. I, itchy, it. U, upper, up. O, olive, op. X, g. K, j. M, t. N, rolling, qu. These two are married, so they're always together. Q and U always together, and they make the sound qu for queen. W, s, p, v, d, b, k for king, as opposed to the C. Y. The reason we put our hand in front of our mouth for the non-voice sounds is because you can feel the breath when you say it. You can feel your breath on your hand. Shh. That's a digraph, but I won't continue with those. That's a digraph, and I do those as well at the end of the sound pack. But that was the sound pack of the 26 letters plus the sh, and how I teach them using the MSL approach. Hopefully this helps you. Okay, thanks.